Welcome to this Auctonic tutorial. Today we're going to look at multivariation listings. This is a really exciting piece of functionality that we've worked very closely with the global user community with. Thank you very much indeed to those users who helped us design and deliver this functionality. So this is the Auctonic main menu, as we know. So we click on Create Listing, as we would do for any other listing we're going to make. So let's assume we're going to be selling some t-shirts. I'm not going to go through and create the whole listing. There's a video on how to create a listing elsewhere on our YouTube account. Today I just want to focus on multivariation. So I'll put my listing title in there. Now the multivariation option isn't available straight away. I need to select a category that supports multivariations. So as I'm selling t-shirts, what I'll do is go in and select t-shirts. So we're looking for clothes. And let's say we are selling men's t-shirts, men's casual t-shirts. So we get to the end of our branch, it says no more categories. Fantastic. So now the multivariation listing button has changed to green, which is good news. So I will then press multivariation. In this video I just want to demonstrate the functionality. I'm not going to go through and do something particularly rigorous, but I just want to show you what it can be used for. So what we have here is the variations screen. The way to understand this screen is to look at it in terms of variations and options. So there's a number of variations that I can have. In this case, these are fed straight out of eBay and they relate to the category which we chose just a moment ago, which was men's clothing. I can also create my own, so I've created a few that are related to other products that I sell on eBay. So today we're just going to have a quick look at size. So the type of variation is size. The options within the variation, called size, are here. What I can do is create a new size. For example, if I wanted to say, if I was going to sell extra large, I could go like that, press add new, and then that's added to my list of options. Additionally, I can create a new variation. So variation sits one level above options conceptually. So if I wanted to create custom property, all I would do is click add new. I've done that before, so if I select my custom property here, I can then have a type of option that relates to my custom property. So if I go type C, press add new, it will then add that to my variation. What we're going to do now is go through and make some variations. So we're going to just be looking at what I would call two-dimensional variations in this video, although you can really get as complicated as you like. So I'm going to select size. Let's say our size is small, and let's use our custom property. This can be anything in the world. I just use custom property for this video to demonstrate just how flexible the system is. So let's say that our small size t-shirts that are of type A, of whatever this is, so it could be the material, it could be anything at all. Let's say they're $10. So what I'll do is just press add, and that's added to my selected variations. So we know that if the user selects a t-shirt that is small in size and type A of custom property, the price should be 10. If, for example, they wanted to select a medium-sized t-shirt but still in type A, we can make the price 12 and add it. Similarly, if they want to go large, we can then make the price 14 and add it. And as you can see, our variations are appearing down here. So in effect, we're building a set of rules which eBay will use to determine the price, the sale price of your item. It's a really powerful bit of functionality. Now let's get back to small. Let's say I want to change type A to type B. So I'm changing perhaps a different type of material or some other property, whatever that is. Well, let's say actually type B is a lot more expensive. So actually these start at $20. So I'll add that, and then I'll go through and do the same thing for medium. Actually what's the price differential I've got here? I've got $2. So we'll go $22 there. Add that, and we'll go type C, type B, and we'll leave that. So again, our price differential is $2. So in effect, I've built rules that will cater for 6 different possibilities, and that's just taking into account 2 variations. What I can then do is click save, go through, complete the rest of my listing, Click on verify and list item once I'm done, and it will list onto eBay through Auctonic in the normal way. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video, and thank you very much indeed for downloading Auctonic.